Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos.
Baku, one of the most beautiful world cities, is located at the joint of Europe and Asia. The capital's name itself is interpreted as a wind blow, city of winds or hill, city on the hill. The port city of Baku, the cultural, industrial and political capital of Azerbaijan, is located on the western Caspian seaside, on the bay shores of the same name in the southern part of the Abshero Peninsula, rich in its oil fields. So let's explore. 1. Khansari, the palace of the Sheki Khans. Khansari, or the Palace of the Sheki Khans, has been the summer residence of the famous Sheki Khans, and its palace, gardens and fortification walls has been constructed by Khan Hussein. The palace offers a stunning view of the surrounding mountains, and you can also have a look at the tea house, parks and museums nearby the palace. 2. Silk Factory. Sheki has been an important city along the Silk Road and a major manufacturer in silk products for the last 4 centuries. It's difficult to see the working of the silk factory, which is situated nearby the town, but one can buy silk items from the adjacent store. 3. Oil rocks. Azerbaijan made advancement in its economy due to its oil reserves. So the oil rocks complex near Baku has become an attraction for many. But prior permission from the State Oil Company of Azerbaijan is needed to view the complex. 4. The Palace of Shirvanshahs. It, located in Baku, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site built in the 15th century by the Shirvanshah dynasty. This monument is the biggest piece of architecture under the Shirvanshah branch and includes the main building, Diwan Khana, the mausoleum, the palace mosque and the palace bathhouse. The construction of the palace was initiated under the rule of Ibrahim I of Shirvan dynasty. The palace is open to visitors from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 5. Yanar Dag, translated as the Burning Mountain, is a hillside near Baku that continuously vents flames of fire all year round, a process that has been going around for 1000 years. Natural gas vents on the sides of the mountain make sure that the flames don't subdue despite of rain. 6. The Flame Towers. The Flame Towers are the most iconic structure of the city, and some of the most modern buildings in the Caucasus region. The 3 buildings are identical in size and appearance, and worth a visit. You can take the cable car up the mountain to the base of the towers, and then pay a fee to go to the observatory deck. The views are amazing. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment this videos with your friends.